Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your social study teacher. So my dear students, today I am here with exercises of chapter number 17, Rules for Road Safety from your textbook. So my dear students, before starting the exercises of this chapter, let's have a quick overview on this chapter. So my dear students, in this chapter you had learned about the different traffic light means and list of some safety rules for traveling in a bus. So students, rules that help you be safe on the road are called road safety rules, and you should always use the zebra crossing for crossing a road. You should cross the road with an adult. Before crossing, you should wait for the traffic to stop. You should use the footpath for walking, and you should not be play on the road. So students, to protect us from unwanted accidents, we need to follow rules of safety both at home and outside. So students, in this chapter you had learned some important points while walking or driving on the road. Now let's do the exercises of this chapter. Here, summing up, the traffic lights tell us when it is safe to cross a road. So students, traffic light tell us when it is safe to cross a road. There are three traffic lights. When the light turns green, the traffic moves. People cannot cross when the light turns green. So students, when the traffic light turn green, traffic should move, but people cannot cross the road when the light turns green. Now next one, when the light turns yellow, the traffic starts slowing down. People should not cross the light is when the light is yellow. So students, when the traffic light turns yellow, traffic starts slowing down, but at this time people should not cross the road. They should wait. When the light turns red, the traffic has to stop. People can cross the road when the lights are red. So students, when the traffic lights turn red, the traffic has to stop. Now people can cross the road safely. We must follow safety rules on the bus so that we do not get hurt. So students, we must also follow some safety rules on the bus so that we do not get hurt. Wait for your turn while getting on or off the bus. Do not push others. So students, while getting on or off bus, you should wait for your turn and do not push others. Do not lean out or put your hands out of a moving bus. Remain seated till the bus stops completely. So students, do not lean out or put your hands out when you are in a moving bus, and you have to remain seated till the bus stops completely, because you could fall down and get hurt if the bus stopped suddenly. Now students, let's come to the workout. first question. Choose the correct answer. So students, let's begin the exercises. When the traffic light for vehicles on the road is yellow. So students, I had already told you that when the traffic light for vehicles on the road is yellow, they get ready to stop. So here option number B is correct. You have to take the option number B. Now the next one. When the traffic light for vehicles on the road is red, then people can cross the road. So your option number B is correct for this question. So you have to take the option number B, people cross. Now let's come to the third one. It is not safe. So students, it is not safe to lean out of a moving bus. So here the option number is A is correct. So you have to take the option number A. Now let's come to the question number 2. Answer the following questions. So students, here you have to answer the given questions. You have to write the answer of these questions with the help of the PDF notes that is given in your WhatsApp group. So students, in this video I am going to explain you the answer of this questions. So students, the first question is, why do we need road safety rules? So students, do you know why do we need road safety rules? Yes, here your answer will be, we need road safety rules to protect us from accident. Now let's come to the second question. What are traffic lights? How are they useful? So students, the traffic lights tell us when it is safe to cross a road. It is useful for crossing the road safely. Now let's come to the third one. Draw a traffic signal. Explain what each of the traffic light mean. So students, first of all, here you have to draw the picture of a traffic lights. Then you have to explain the traffic lights mean one by one by showing them. So students, red says to stop and yellow says ready to stop and green says to move. So students, you can write the answer of all this question with the help of PDF notes that is given in your WhatsApp group. Now let's come to the question number 4. Why should we get on or off a bus? So students, question number 4. How should you get on or off a bus? So students, while getting on or off the bus, always wait for your turn and do not push others. So this was the answer of question number 4. Now let's come to the question number 5. How should you sit in a moving bus? So answer for this question is, do not lean out of a moving bus. Remain seated till the bus stops completely. So students, you have to write this in the answer of question number 5. Now the question answer is completed. Now let's come to the enrichment corner. Study the picture carefully. Some people are following road safety rules and some are not. Circle the do's, it means do safe, and put a tick beside them. Circle the don'ts, it means do not safe, and put a cross against them. So students, You have to study the picture carefully that is given here. So students, in this picture, some people are following road safety rules while some are not. So students, look at the picture. Here the traffic light is turned red and some vehicles are stopped. So they are following road safety rules. And here a lady is crossing the road. So students, when the traffic lights turn into red, people can cross the road. So students, this woman is following the traffic rule or safety rules, but look at the boy, he is running towards his school bus. So students, this is not safe. He is not following the safety rules. And look at the man who is talking on phone, that is not safe. So students, you have to circle those who do safe and you have to tick beside them, and you have to circle the don'ts. It means that do not safe. Then there you have to put a cross. So students, for safe you have to tick beside them, and for do not safe you have to cross against them. Students, look at the picture. Children are playing on the road. So students, this is not safe, and these children are not following the road safety rules. So you have to do this. Now exercises from this chapter is completed now. I hope you understood all the exercises very clearly by the help of this video. Now your turn to study it and grasp it. Thank you students. Bye and take care.